Hey guys, this is Technic Store and today's subject is unboxing of the FN Career Ethical Hacking Toolkit. So let's start. This is the parcel of FN Career Ethical Hacking Tools. It delivers via expressways. And card it to open. Okay. It is packed very carefully. Here is the book named Hack the Tech and a copy of paper. You have to read the book very carefully to learn it, and you can get all the videos software certificate from page number 1 to 1. So this is the table of contents of the book that contains varieties of courses. So this is the last page, means page 1 to 1. You have to search www.hackthetech.org for the video course and certificates. If you enjoy this video, please click on like, share and subscribe.